I've got my video on it now.
Okay.
The ghostly presence.
It's a fully formed. I've got a fully formed, like, figure. I've got a fully formed figure, head and shoulders above her.
I can actually see that now. Has it gone back down to Miss Muffet?
It's going straight.
Yeah, mine's coming back over her. No,
It's going straight over her now.
Yeah.
It's, oh my God, it's moved. I'll show you this.
It's cleared. Yeah, mine's cleared.
It's moving very, very slowly. I'm just going to end it.